Hey guys, how you the Cube here, and today I'm back with another unboxing from thecubicle.us. So you guys probably all know what's in here, but let's get to unbox this thing. My first package from the my first package from the cubicle. Let's see what's in here. As you see, it is ShengShou Puzzle Gem series. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, it's hard. There we go. We have a receipt. That's my receipt. And here's the puzzle. Let's see. Oh man. No business card. I hope for business card. I have a first business card. Yeah, let's see. So you see, I have a pyramid magic cube. It's by ShengShou. If I can find it. But you can see that this is from ShengShou, so you know it's a ShengShou product. But yeah, let's get into unbox this thing. So yeah, as you can see, it is a ShengShou puzzle. That's odd, but yeah. So it's a Pyraminx cube. It's Pyraminx. So this is unbox the thing. So unbox this right now. So we have a pamphlet, and oh, here's a cube. So oh, that's odd. The cap's coming off. That's odd, but ooh, for first turns, feels like a nice. It feels nice, honestly. It's like a decent puzzle for a beginner. I don't know why this cap wants to come off. It's a bit odd, honestly. But yeah, first turns. It seems nice. Has this like a little texture on it, like gives it that little grip, and it's like corn cutting. Okay, it's corn cut. Oh, I think barely corner cut. Oh, sorry. Barely corner cut. Let's see. Let's try reverse. Nope. Oh wait. That had corner cut very well. I'm still trying to get to used to the feel of a Pyraminx. My first Pyraminx. That feels like a nice Pyraminx. I'll do some solving it. Probably try to fix this little part. I think the cat's trying to come. Oh, there it goes. Fix it. Hopefully. Hope it's just break it. But yeah. Well, hang on. I think it uses ball bearings. I don't think so. I'll use it a little bit and come back to you after I do a couple of solves and do a full in depth or how to think about it. So what was that? Sorry. Okay, so this one solves on the Pyraminx. And it's done pretty good. I might need to tighten it a little bit because it seems too loose, in my opinion. I think it locks up a lot. But like I don't know how many solves. It's pretty good. It uses ball bearings. Yeah. I can zoom in. See, right there. It uses ball bearings to lock into place. It's not a significant lock. It's not a significant lock, but you can tell it locks. You can hear clicking. Ooh, I hit the camera. You can hear clicking. But but it's just, overall it's a good intermediate. It needs a bit of lube. It needs a little bit of lube, but overall, out of the box, it seemed like a good puzzle. So I would say this like good puzzle. So I will make another video to a full review on the puzzle. But until then, see you next time.